Good morning. I just woke up, guys. Ayan. Good morning, good morning. My sample outfit for today. You will like it, guys. Very nice. I really love it. My sample outfit for today. Ayan. So, guys, ayun, kakagising ko lang. Kakagising ko lang, guys. um, I'm not feeling well today because of my dry cough. So, ayan, let's eat bread, guys. Let's eat bread. Ayan po. My breakfast for today, a slice of bread. Tapos lalagyan natin siya ng palaman, guys. May palaman. Palaman for today. A mayonnaise. A mayonnaise, guys. I really love it. Good morning. Parang ano na yung bread, guys. Good morning, everyone. Look, guys, a slice of bread with mayonnaise. This is my breakfast for today. So yummy. Mm. Let's eat. My face is so haggard, girls. So yummy, guys. One of my favorite. One of my favorite palaman. Hi, let's eat my breakfast. So yummy. Yummy again. Love it. I really love it, guys. I love it. Mm, Super yummy, so good. Mm, the taste is so good. Mm, Love it. Mm. I can feel the taste of the mayonnaise is so yummy. So yummy, guys. Mm, just like me, so yummy. Mm, I love it. Love it, guys.